Hi, this is Hanman. We're going to look at the BitMax exchange and specifically the various options you have to pay your fees. For those of you in an eligible country, create your account, go into the account settings and specifically the mining settings, and you'll see two sections, taker and maker. So taker are basically market orders and maker are limit orders. And both have various options you can pick to pay your fees. You can pay mining transaction fee, regular trading transaction fee, or this thing called reverse mining transaction fee. I'll also explain what the BTMX from mining and pre-sale release section is, what's the difference of locked and unlocked tokens. The regular trading transaction fee is similar to what you see on most exchanges. You need to pay this in addition to performing your trade. Let's look at how the mining transaction fee works. So let's say you've managed to get some of your Bitcoin into the BitMax exchange and you want to buy something. So you're going to give BitMax some of your Bitcoin and you're also going to give them some more Bitcoin representing the fee. So all of that will go to the exchange. They're going to give you back some BTMX tokens, the value of which will be equivalent to the fee that you paid. They call that a reward. Let's do the math. Let's say you bought something with 1 BTC. So your account is down 1 Bitcoin. There's the mining transaction fee, so you're going to be down another 0.0001 Bitcoin, but you're going to be up some BTMX tokens, which are equivalent to a value of 0.0001 Bitcoins. So in essence, at that split second, you really didn't pay a fee. In terms of the fee, what really happened was you gave the exchange a very small amount of BTC and received back a very small equivalent amount of BTMX. Now let's take a look at how the reverse mining transaction fee works. So again, let's say you have some Bitcoin on the BitMax exchange and you want to buy something. So you're going to give some of your Bitcoin to the BitMax exchange. Now for the fee, the exchange is going to work out what is the equivalent value of the fee in BTMX, and you are going to pay your fee using your own BTMX, so that will go to the exchange. Let's do the math. So let's say you buy something with 1 Bitcoin, so your account will go down by 1 BTC. Of note is that the reverse mining transaction fee is much less than the mining transaction fee, and your account will go down by the equivalent amount in BTMX tokens of that fee. That's the beauty of this option. With the mining transaction fee option, you're going to pay your transaction fee like you would on any other exchange, but you're going to accumulate little bits of BTMX tokens in return. With the reverse mining transaction fee option, you are not going to pay your fee in the base currency of your trade. You're going to pay it in BTMX tokens. So you decide which option's better for you. I'm really looking forward to your comments on why you would choose one option over the other. Please leave your comments down below. Oh, one more thing. We were going to discuss what this locked and unlocked token setting is. Remember, if you pick the mining transaction fee option, you're going to start to accumulate BTMX tokens. You can also buy them outright or accumulate them in other ways on the BitMax exchange. If you lock them, every day the exchange sets aside 80% of all the transaction fees they obtained and they put it into a pool. Then they take 1/180th of that pool and distribute it to the folks who locked up their tokens. So if you're a trader and this sounds interesting to you, please use our referral link to join BitMax. Until next time, this is Hanman saying see you in the next video.